Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram followers using a Telegram bot and I will show you how exactly it will work and how you can grow your Instagram account by gaining followers. So let's just get started. So this is the bot name, like follow bot. I will be putting the link in the description to this bot, so you can click on that link and get right into this bot. So as you can see, this is a like for like bot and follow for bot that will follow and like the users. Then first, when you open this, you will receive the when you open the bot, you will receive this message. Then you need to write oblique start to get started. Then it will ask some questions and it will ask you to send your Instagram profile. So in here you have to send the profile of the account you want to receive the followers. So once you do that, it will be asking you to send your location so that you will get the users from near your location. But if you won't use another location, you can always send another location. Then after that, we have to start. So I will show you how this one works. Some histories of me. Then the thing is that in this one you will get this icon colored, this one for every, if you follow someone you will get this, if you do anything you will get, suppose here is one donut or something. So if you want, you can earn more. When you earn more, you will be people will be following you, so for each follow they will reduce one from your balance. So this is completely free, and as you can see, there are different ways to earn this. So to earn this, first you can learn, like and follow each others from the list. That way you will increase your earning. But there is another way. You can invite your friend using a referral link, like the way I will be providing in the link in the description below. So that way you can gain the followers if someone use this bot using the link you send to them. That is the best way or the easiest way. Other one is we can purchase with real money, but we are not going to do that. So let me show how I am going to increase my balance. So I will click on the list and they will send a username. So once you get username, you need to click on that username and open the link. So once you open the link, you need to follow that account and mark it as followed in here. Or if that account you want to skip or you do not want to follow that account for any reason, you can click skip also. So in here, let me finish the loading of this. So now you have loaded the screen. You can click the follow, and once you followed the user, once you finish, see this one is like this, then you can go here to the Telegram and click followed, and then you can see your balance is updated to 2. So there is another way to, like I said, to get more of these by using inviting your friends, and I will show some things this bot can do. If you click in here, you can see how, if you want to see your balance, you can click balance. You have to. So how will other people follow you? This way, same way you are seeing usernames like this, other people will be seeing your username. So it is more like a community that will follow each others in Instagram. So if you have more than 5, then people will start following you, and once they follow you, they will reduce this. And if you want to again earn this, you need to again click on, and using one of the method from these three, you need to earn these donuts so that people will show you. Now the problem you might be see is that if we do it like this, you can see it is a very long process and it will be difficult for you to do. But the good thing about this bot is that this bot is fully compatible in your mobile phone. So in the next few seconds I'm going to show you how fast you can do this using your Android phone.